3 ways a cash buyer can add certainty to your home sale. When selling a home, most people focus on getting the highest possible price. That's a natural instinct. However, chasing the top dollar in a traditional sale often means accepting a process full of delays, surprises, and stress. Sometimes, certainty is worth more than an uncertain shot at a higher offer. If financial pressure, time constraints, or the complexities of traditional sales are driving your decision, accepting a cash offer on your house may be the most practical path forward. Why traditional home sales fall short? In a traditional sale, you list your home, wait for buyers to make offers, and hope one of them works out. Even after you accept an offer, the process is far from over. Inspections, appraisals, repairs, and buyer financing all stand between you and the closing table. Any one of those can put the deal at risk. Consider what can go wrong. A buyer backs out after the inspection. The appraisal comes in lower than the agreed price. The lender denies the buyer's financing at the last minute. Each of these setbacks sends you back to square one, costing you time, money, and peace of mind. The longer your home sits on the market, the more pressure you feel to reduce the price to attract new interest. Traditional sales also come with carrying costs that add up quickly. Every month your home stays on the market, you continue paying taxes, insurance, utilities, and maintenance. Those costs chip away at your expected proceeds. 3 ways cash buyers offer a more certain sale. Selling to a cash buyer eliminates most of the friction that makes traditional sales so stressful. Here's how. 1. No financing hiccups. When a buyer relies on a mortgage, the deal depends on the lender as much as the buyer. Cash buyers bring their own funds to the table, so there's no waiting on loan approvals and no risk of financing falling through at the last minute. Once you accept a cash offer for your house, the transaction moves forward without that uncertainty hanging over it. 2. No repairs or renovations. Traditional buyers often expect a home to be move-in ready. Lenders sometimes require specific repairs before they'll approve a loan. Cash buyers purchase homes in any condition. You don't need to repaint, replace appliances, fix leaks, or stage the home for showings. You skip all of that, sell the home as is, and the buyer takes it from there. 3. Quick, flexible closings. A traditional sale can take 30 to 60 days to close after you accept an offer, assuming nothing goes wrong. Financing delays, failed inspections, or renegotiations can push that window out even further. Cash buyers can typically close in as little as 7 to 14 days. That timeline puts you in control. If you need to move quickly because of a job relocation, a financial deadline, or a family situation, a fast closing removes the uncertainty of not knowing when, or whether, your home will sell. You pick a date that works for you and plan around it. When predictability is worth more than the highest offer, holding out for the highest offer sounds like the right strategy, but the math doesn't always work out that way. A higher offer that comes with contingencies, repair requests, and financing delays can easily cost you more in time and carrying costs than the price difference. A deal that falls through after 2 months of waiting costs you even more. A cash sale makes the most sense when you need to sell on a specific timeline due to relocation, foreclosure, or a family change. Your home needs repairs you do not want to manage or fund. You're carrying the financial burden of a property and want to stop the ongoing costs. You want a predictable process without negotiations, inspections, or surprises. In each of these situations, the stability of a cash sale delivers something a traditional sale can't: a clear outcome you can plan around. What the process looks like. Selling to a cash buyer is straightforward. You contact a local cash home buyer, they assess the property, and they present you with an offer. You get to ask questions and decide whether it works for you. If you accept, the buyer handles most of the paperwork and coordinates the closing. You don't need to schedule showings, negotiate with multiple buyers, or wait on a lender's timeline. The simplicity of the process is one of its biggest advantages. When you know exactly what to expect at each step, selling your home stops feeling like a gamble and becomes a plan. Take control of your home sale. Choosing a cash sale is about reducing risk, controlling the timeline, and understanding exactly what you will walk away with. It means making a clear-eyed decision about what your time, peace of mind, and financial stability are worth. For many homeowners, accepting a cash offer on your house is the fastest way to move forward without the drawn-out stress of traditional selling. If you are considering a cash sale, speaking directly with a local buyer can help you understand what your home could realistically sell for. If you're ready to sell on your terms, search "Cash Home Buyer Near Me" to begin with a no-obligation, free estimate of your home's value.